So this is the door handle that we had. I had to break it, and it was so brittle that it just broke immediately. Yep, the battery is dead. Isn't it just nice? You start turning the car on and boof, no battery. Well, today we're gonna fix as many things as we can on this beautiful Jeep. Wipers. This is the grille that is missing. Struts. Door handle. And even the washer bottle motor. These are the tools that I think I'll need. Now, yep, this one is working. I'm talking about the other one. This one. This one? Yep, it's not working. The bezel or the grill. Remember when I told you like something missing? This one. It should be clip on. And whilst the battery is charging, I figured might as well just change as many things as I can, including, see how broken? It's really broken. So, let's see how we go with that. Okay, first things first. I do believe this gigantic piece of crap is the one that's draining the battery. It's not connected properly, and therefore when the car is off, it just keeps draining the battery. Eventually, I'm thinking I'm gonna remove this one simply because it's holding a lot of space. The Jeep, the beauty of the Jeep, it's big, you can hold things in it. So this is how it is. Yeah, this one. I got this one from Rock Auto. Again, shipping is a nightmare because the price isn't reasonable, but you pay twice as much for shipping. Now, does it fit? I don't know. Looking at it, wow, it fits. Perfect. So I just need to clip it on and we're good to go. See, we are fixing things as we go. Actually, can I just clip it in? Please, please clip in, please clip in. I mean, it needs two hands. Can I? I don't want to break it. I'm gonna use both hands. But the idea is, there you go, it clips and now it looks. Right, can you see? Yeah, I mean, it's right there. Cool, easy. All right, so push it properly and clip it because, I mean, now it's technically hold. See, these are what I'm talking about. They clip in through this one. Whoopsie, and this is how you scratch it. Don't do what I do. I think there's another piece up, which I don't have too. But then again, at least I've got this one over here. Why this one is just wobbly? It's me, I don't know. Anyways, so this is the first thing that we need to do. Second thing, on the dash, it keeps saying that low washer fluid. Yep, it's low. That basically means we got a problem. Now, for the record, I attempted to fix it. It was leaking somewhere from here. Initially, I thought it could be a radiator or something. Turned out, nope, it's actually the washer bottle motor somehow leaking, broke. You unclip those two and you'll have full access to it. And at that point, you just need to unplug it and put the new one in. And the door handle and the struts for the back. Okay, so let's start with one at least. Yep. You see it? Right there. See my finger? I just pulled it and got it out. And this is all the remaining water inside. Sadly, you had no option but to. So, once you remove that, release the hoses from each side, unclip the electrical connector, and that basically you just get it out and replace it. Now, on a separate note, installed properly, it's not going anywhere. Not bad. It's those little things, simple things. All right, let's disconnect this one. So yeah, see, these are the clips, one here, and that gives you access. Of course, if you remove the wheel to the other side, it gives you more access to work with it. But since the battery is dead, tilting the steering to the side is not an easy task. Anyways, we still can work with what we got. Let's just this area dry up just a tad so that we can work on it. And let's have a look at what we got. I bought it also from Rock Auto. This is original part. So there you go. This is where it connects to the bottle itself. Electrical connector. The black and white. I do believe the black side is for the rear glass and the white one is for the front one. Because you see, I've got a washer over here for the glass over here and the other one over there. So, let's get the old one, put the new one in, and even comes with the grommets as well, so not bad. Let's get it out and I'll show you how it's going to look like. Old one. Attempted to fix it with some silicone and all. Failed miserably. So I got it out, even the grommet, got it out. This is the new one with the grommet that comes with it. It's identical. So it's exactly the same model, same everything. So it's bolt on basically. Put the grommet in, connect the electrical wire, hook it up, put the hoses, and that's it. Easy. Are you guys ready? I got a better view for you. Let me just adjust the camera just a bit. See, this is from under the car. This is the washer bottle. And this is what we've installed. There you go. Hook up the washers, the electrical connector, and push it until it fits. Now it's not going anywhere and it's properly connected. I wonder what is this? This would be the rear. Yeah, this is the back. This for the back. These are for the front, left and right. Now it makes more sense. Alright, cool. I mean, the leak was from here, coming from here. Anyways, so now I can say that hopefully we fixed it. One way to find out, we need to fill it with water and see how that goes. Cool, let's get out of here. I'm soaked. Note to self, bad time to work on a car when the floor is wet or the ground, simply because it was rainy. Alright, we filled it up. There is no leak. One way to test it, once we get the car up and running, we can give that a crack. For now, since no leak, move on to something else. Door handle. Easy. One screw over here. One screw over here. One screw over here. Remove them. You get to remove this, the ashtray or the handle, and you can fish this one out. Start from here with a pry tool. Get it out. As you get it out, you'll be able to clip it. Unclip all the electrical connectors. There you go. And the rest becomes easy. Just get it out and you should be able to remove it. Once you remove it, we'll look into it. As you remove it, unclip those, and this is for the door latch that hung into this one. There you go. And this is the broken, damaged one. This is what we need to replace. See how broken? Alright, let's see what we can do with this one. So, this is the door handle that we had. I had to break it and it was so brittle that it just broke immediately. This is the new one. Same color, same everything, and original. Right hand, front, blah blah blah. And it fits perfect. However, we hit a bit of a snag. See those plastic holes over here? What happened is when they installed it, they used a heat gun or something to melt the plastic over it. Now I'm gonna need a knife or a blade just to cut those so that this one lines up flush without that gap that you see over here. Once that is done, I'll use self-tapping screws or something just to screw it in place. That shouldn't be a problem. See how they're just doing it? That's just stupid. Why would you do that? You're making everything so hard. It just doesn't make sense. Anyways, so get a blade, cut those edges, then you can utilize the remainder to put a screw in. And there you go. Mind you, I wanted to buy only the front right, and on eBay it's like what, 60 bucks? 60 bucks. I found this whole package, the set, all of them, for I got them all for what? 90 bucks? Yeah, 90 bucks. Not bad. And they're all same color, same everything. So I've got extra set in case. So do your research. Mind you, this one was 110. I actually gave them, the seller, an offer. They declined. They gave me a different offer and so on and so forth. I ended up buying it for 90 something. So do that. Anyways, let's cut this one and try to fix it up. See? We cut them. That way it sit flush. Now I had to use screws, and that's on me. I had to use, let's just say, a bit of a long screws. Now I don't need to put screws in all of the holes, because at the end of the day there will be a screw over here, and this one, they will clip into the door. I just needed some just to basically put it in place, because see what happens? Yep, that's the end of the screw, but it doesn't really matter. At least now it's sitting flush and it works perfectly. Time to put it back in. So it's reverse order of exactly what we've done. Not bad. We are on a roll. Door handle installed. No cracks, no nothing. Now I can just get something and just push this one back, and that basically will fix it. But at least now the door handle is working, properly installed. Put the screw here, and screw here, and everything is back into shape. Not bad. I guess by now the battery should be charged somewhat. Let's go hook it up so that we can finish the last order of business. It's standing on its own, and I've only replaced one. This one. Again, we've done it before. Get yourself a pick, and over here, I don't know, let's just focus on this one. See this metal piece, this rusty one? Put this one like this, and this is how you release it. Once you release this out, do the other one on the other side, and you get it out, and you put the new one in. Plain and simple. See, I've only done one, and now it's standing on its own. Not bad. Now imagine if I do the other one. Sweet. Done. Look. Both sides are done. Done. Clipped properly here and there. Ain't going nowhere. And now it's properly installed. So now I've got this one working. This one working. Moving on to this one. Now, this one is not your typical wiper, so you can't basically fold it. Look over here. There's the clip. So if you squeeze the clip, you'll be able to get it out. Let's just use the other hand, and hopefully that will work. There you go. That's it. And this is what you need to replace, basically. Let me see if I can get this plastic piece out of it. I don't know, because I like this one more than whatever I've got over there. Let's see. Cool. Yep, it's a hot mess in here. I got this one, and surprise, you've got, there's the coupon if you want it. BRM10. If anyone wants to use it, knock yourself out, use it. 10% discount. So, this is the new one, this is the old one. Now, the old one is not the best. Now, granted, it's not bad, but I got it all as a good deal, and there you go. It's exactly the same. So all what I need to do is just put it back in place. Pretty much that's all what I need to do. Let's see if it fits. Does it fit? Come on, man, fit. Come on, show me what you got. Actually, let's double check something. Yeah, it's exactly identical from this side. So, oh, there you go. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is the new one, and this is the old one, and it's exact fitment. So all what I need to do is just basically fish it and get it inside. Let's just squeeze it like this and see if this helps. Does it help? It doesn't. Come on. There you go. That's it. That is it. Sweet. New one installed, and it's not going anywhere. Perfect. Let's do the other ones because it already came with 2 for the other ones, which is basically there. We know how to do that. Just replace them and we'll take it from there. Cool. All right. Battery in, engine running, everything is fine. I don't have the washer bottle fluid sign again. Let's give this one a whirl. Look at the screen. Now we can confirm the wipers, they work, the water works, and I do believe the back is push the other way or push inside or do something. I don't know. How do you operate? Oh yeah, there you go. It's cleaning and it's working. Now let's head out and see if there is any leak. If there's any leak, you would be able to see it immediately and quickly and easily. Dry. Problem solved. Not bad. And I love this chrome. I know it's a tiny little one, but I can see it. And to me, that's enough. So, what did we do? We put the chrome. Fixed up the washer fluid motor. Windshield wipers. Door handle. And the back. There you go, see? Soapy thingy. And boy, it's clean. We've done a pretty good job. Alright, let's wrap up. Find something else to do. That leaves us basically with cosmetically, just to make it look pretty. And rocker gopher gasket. I've already got it. I just need to get the car inside and actually work on it, because it's not an easy job. But hey, so far, I love the sound of this car. Nothing beats a V8. And it's messy. Ugh. Why? Shouldn't there be a drain plug or something? Poor design. What a poor design. Anywho's, let's wrap up.